teams or 2 different teams. You want to explain?
No.
Okay, I was ready. Okay, so basically, it is what you see. They two are a team, and they're gonna be losing. And then no. Cake, and then us two are a team.
Don't be hated.
We're gonna be winning. We're gonna win. So introduce yourselves.
I'm Sanaya.
My name's Jordan.
I'm Audrey.
I'm 1-3. Watch 9.
Delusional. So yeah, we can start it.
No, I didn't want to like this. Shut up.
Anyway,
yeah.
We can get started.
Okay. There you go.
Oh wait. Water.
He ate, yeah.
See, they already don't know what to do. And the oil.
Okay.
Okay. We have to do the water first.
Okay, pour this water.
Get the cup of water. Or just
You want to pour this? You already see this? It's already back already open.
Okay, as you guys see, we're all kind of on a budget.
Yeah, so basically, we are at like an Airbnb for my birthday or whatever. So this, we're using what we can find because we forgot to do those. Also, this is my feet, so y'all think y'all
Should we just use sink water?
No, there's water up in there. It says use cold water too.
But you might have to use water, that one will work already. Okay. I think it's either we can do 1 cup of oil.
Okay, take water and oil.
Water and oil. Or
Yeah, it said water and oil.
Wait, we should save some strawberries.
Wait, save some?
No.
There's none left.
There is some left.
Sweet.
There's some left. Oh yeah.
That's not enough. That's not enough. Okay, here's the oil.
Okay, 1 cup of water.
Oil. 1 cup of oil.
Hey, Makaya. I have to use
Don't rush me, Katie. I'm just not ready.
First of all, stop hating.
Right. Well, it's getting all done.
Oh well, first of all.
Take this over here just in case. So anyways, y'all, they don't know what they're doing. Obviously. Oh, don't put anything on this stove thing because it's hot. Eggs. Did y'all get eggs already or no?
Wait, it says 1 cup of water or 2?
It says 1 cup.
Okay.
You got it. You got it.
Should we put the yolk in there or no yolk?
You gotta put yolk in. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
Try not to put no eggshells in there. I'm trying to make
Try not.
Are you good at cracking it?
No.
Here, you want me to crack it? So there's your grandma here. Come on.
Yeah.
Also, you want please ignore the phone in the background. My mom and grandma, they're kind of. Oh, that's the Oh, there's an eggshell.
It says 3 eggs.
3. Yeah. Sanaya.
Can you bring the garbage can? Or I should bring it?
I think that's
Wait.
You were in the packet.
Guys, the garbage can is right here. Did you crack that again? Can you hand us that spatula with the holes inside?
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Yes.
Did Audrey introduce herself?
Yeah.
I didn't hear her.
Alright, what y'all doing out there here?
We got eggs in the middle.
Oh, you good? Okay. Yeah, we put eggs, we put oil and water.
It's good though. It's
I'm
good.
gonna, no milk. We got no milk. We gotta do it with water. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm put like a
I wish I could know my vanilla flavor. It's just the
when y'all get done with that, they're gonna need it. But I ain't even check all that stuff. I'm not even caring. Thursday, and Tuesday.
If y'all know what that list though, let me use it.
That's what I just said.
Oh, there should be three half right there.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Get out of here.
Just a little bit of oil. Did y'all bake? Who's the baker?
Why did you gonna take that?
A little bit.
How did you gonna take that? Why was I gonna give you this?
Get all over his head. Oh, wait, can we pour it in?
Y'all don't need to pour it in. Y'all need that spoon.
Y'all still on our best work.
Girl, that's all you gonna get.
Okay, ours gonna be strawberry. Stop, they put still our idea.
We was gonna be with the strawberries on the cake anyway. Why they trying to
Why you? No, you're gonna put the strawberries. Yeah, no, you didn't.
We can put either dry strawberries or.
Well, we thought of the
Okay,
strawberries.
well, y'all put them strawberries on there, baby.
Yeah, we thought of it.
Oh, okay. Very good. I'm gonna do it.
Anyways, Makaya, how was your birthday? How's your birthday?
You know, it's been pretty good. You know, I've been enjoying people I'm hanging out with.
Y'all, Joshua was supposed to be here.
But he had to leave, unfortunately. Yeah. What's this for?
We do shout out to him or no?
Oh, this is a little top. Girl, shut up. Anyway, yo.
They
Happy birthday. It's not your birthday. Remember you tried strawberries? No, not right now. Whoa there, little lady. Where's the dry strawberry, y'all? Don't tell me y'all ate them all. Like I told y'all, don't eat them.
Joshua, bro. We ate them all.
There you go.
Wait, take it out.
But y'all gotta make sure y'all put it at the same time so they can do it at the same time.
You're still on our idea.
We turned
Y'all do this. Oh, it's hot right there.
We gotta make sure we get all of them on our arms like them. They got lumps and clumps and dumps and everything
That was
up there.
actually you before you got the whiskers. So
Exactly.
what are you talking about?
Well, of course, because we didn't even finish mixing it. So, we
Look, there ain't no lumps or anything up in
there's
there.
big lumps and clumps up in there.
I'm gonna do what you
It
do.
looks the same.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does. Let me see. It does.
Yeah.
It looks like exactly the same.
It's definitely clumps.
Clock it.
TV, bro. Like, alright, let's put it in. Hold that down.
I bet ours is gonna make it. See, they scared. They not confident enough.
Bro!
Oh!
Don't do that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing egg is so hot.
It, but it just showed my back.
Okay, go get some strawberries. Wow, bro.
No, don't put strawberries on my ass. Use the short nose clips. I'm gonna edit it I'm sure.
The strawberries are frozen anyway, too.
Wait,
No, I'm talking about like.
Yeah, like one stage is right here, one stage is
Oh, love it right now. Yeah. Yeah, I literally did it before. I have normally cut strawberries and put it on top of a little baby with it.
no, I don't know if it's okay to do that.
It's just gonna sink in. So dough, that's what it's supposed to do. You got look it up. Let me see that list.
No, use it. Hold on, babe. Gotta say no to the comments, especially to the office.
Oh, to the one next to you.
Your partner ain't even helping you. Just sit it down.
Okay, well, she's done already for a minute, okay? We've been waiting for y'all to get finished.
Well, we gotta, you know, ours is made with love and care. So.
Well, ours is too. I'm
Y'all made with hatred.
yours got crumbs. You hated talking about
Ours don't got no crumbs in it.
Yours is why you want
And if it do have crumbs like your head.
exactly. Built like your back. How about that?
Built like your head.
Your back. Your hump.
Y'all gonna give me
Y'all
copyright.
be quiet. Y'all both got like your back.
Y'all about to give me
Like you.
copyright then. Y'all gonna give me copyright.
Just bleep it out.
No, that's too much. I was going to do post a video with me when you was at my house and we did that sleepover or whatever. I was gonna post that video. All those things I did. But I couldn't because something and I got off it.
I kept bleeping. That's why.
Yeah, bro, like every time I like every sentence she said, bro.
No, because I was mostly on call.
Yeah, she irritated me with that. Don't come to my house ever again. It's gonna be a phone that doesn't hit you with me.
Okay, it was at night though. You act like
It don't matter. Tell him you'll call him back tomorrow.
I did.
The day next.
Make sure to take that out from my phone. You never know my mom thinks like this.
Did y'all put the strawberries in there?
We're going to, but you're saying no, it's not safe.
I don't know.
It is.
Mom, is it okay to put strawberries? Is it okay to put them strawberries up in that cake after or before baking it?
No.
No.
See?
You just
You just said it was.
Yeah, guys,
Wait,
no.
what strawberry? The fresh strawberry?
No, I'm talking about like,
Frozen.
basic. No, I'm not being frozen.
Guys,
Like, guys,
come on. I need the worst. We need to do this now.
it's taking 80 years. Excuse me.
You're excused.
What you say?
I said you're excused.
Girl, we will clock your tea right now.
Do it.
Ain't that right? I'll do
Do
it.
it.
With my soul.
Do it.
We'll clock
On
your
your
tea.
soul.
Oh, you let that guy in my hand right now.
This look like a guy.
No, no.
It's
Wait, do we trust me?
Candy, where's that candy at?
This right there.
Oh,
Those things that you would. Oh, for my hair, my boy. Y'all hear that? Y'all see our partners ain't nothing. They just leaving us. We gotta work together. That time over. This gotta be good. This from your stuff anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trip you, bro.
Y'all want to see that?
We will get back to y'all when we put these in the oven.
Okay, bye.
Okay, but they sabotaging they cake already. She went to go wipe the thing and thing fell in the cake. That is unsanitary, y'all. Bad reviews, bad reviews, bad reviews. And they still gonna
Are you unsanitary now? I didn't bro. Get it out. Bro, wait. Alright, y'all, come back. Y'all will be fine. It's gonna cook it all.
We're here for the food.
I'm stuck in my foot.
Okay. Okay, y'all ready?
No, I'm taking it now.
Are y'all ready? Y'all want me to close up on it after we cook it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's drop it.
I'm gonna stretch out.
Okay, so here's me and Audrey's cake.
Ugly. Like yours.
Horrible.
And then this looks like ours. Very beautiful.
You about to drip it. Right. Anyways, yeah. I like yours.
Y'all stay back.
They don't rise up anyway.
Can you give me give me a red one.
Here.
I need a little bit.
Last night you were dreaming and I heard you say,
Yeah.
no, we don't know anyway. How do you? Yeah, what did you do? You could put it over in the oven. You don't want to block it. Alright, y'all. We about to let these cakes bake, and then we'll be back after they bake. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. You let that one roll.
Bye, guys. Okay.
Alright, y'all. So
Our
their
cake is done. It looks beautiful as always.
It was protruded up, but it's
Oh, you want to see yours? Yeah.
So anyway,
Don't slam it. Slam it.
is it done? Okay, y'all. So their cake is done.
It looks beautiful.
We're waiting for our cake to get, and
Like all the
Shania.
Okay, yes.
What do you think?
We think our cake is the best, and it might be done.
Girl, why? Who you feeling like?
Girl, I'm feeling like the winner, because I am already.
Wait, what's on your phone? This is pink. Can you come off? Oh, look at her pajamas, y'all. Clock it. Look at her pajamas.
Get out. Go away.
Girl, what do you feel like? Hi, mama pajamas. She in her room changing. Can I see your pajamas? Oh, she got a little watermelon pajamas on. Her little skirt.
I'm about to get these chips.
Y'all my mama finna eat all your chips.
Or the.
She got her leg out too.
Stop. Why would you do that?
Audrey, come on.
What flavor y'all using?
We have to take do rock paper scissors.
Okay. Do what?
This
Y'all
is your
know?
phone, by the way. So can you see this video?
Okay. So, let's do rock, paper, scissors. We need to.
Okay, should I? Okay, y'all. So they're doing vanilla and they're mixing this stuff up. This is their cake. Are y'all gonna use the eyeballs?
Yeah.
They be talking about us stealing their idea, but they want to steal our idea with the eyeballs.
Exactly.
Literally, that doesn't matter. It's okay. Like that's not even an idea. Jordan. Anyway, this is what we got going on. All we doing is mixing the thing. That's not stealing your idea. Ours is a little darker, like Sanaya's color. No, this one's like, I think it's my color. Anyway, but yeah, guys. So that's
Yeah. Give me a plate.
okay.
Make sure to wash it out.
Okay. Now we're talking
Are we gonna put it in a plate like unbelievable?
Mom. Is she in there? Mom in there? Mom, are you? No, like, hello, we're not saying, you know. That you do? Why y'all cutting you off?
We're doing something different. We're not gonna snack it on y'all.
You know, like, hello, we're not saying, you know.
Don't watch.
I'm watching.
Watch your own. Oh wait.
We should got more time.
Coming along, and yeah, we decorate the cake. Yeah.
I don't care what.
They
I don't care.
are here.
I don't care who lives and what is me.
Who's gonna sit?
Okay, so now y'all we're looking up designs on Pinterest. We're gonna go on Pinterest and look up some cake designs.
Don't watch. Why do you hate?
I'm watching because y'all better not do what I think y'all are doing. It's still our idea.
What idea? We're like. You're doing a volcano.
Oh, we should have brought other sprinkles.
If that's what you're thinking of. Okay, good. Keep it.
Trust the process.
Exactly.
They're making like a design. I don't know what it's called. No, they just cut it off. Yeah, it's still, you're not in the video. You're just doing it.
Anyway, we kind of cut it when we were gonna like.
Okay, y'all, we'll be
Get
right.
messed up. Like this.
No, your cake is good, but it needs more flavor.
You might get.
We gonna do one. I'll put my this one.
We're not gonna sugar our cake. We just need it. Yeah. Oh my god, if I cut this part off, I'm just gonna copy it.
Yeah, we want to cut this piece off, but we're not cutting it. I'm sorry. We're not
Okay,
cutting
okay, okay, I know what to do, I know what to
it.
do.
We're not cutting it off.
Okay, but I think we're gonna put this in the bottom, but I need to make this way.
How much money?
Hey guys!
Don't say okay, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys.
Ew, that's not it.
Bro, Maya!
Anyway,
let's
okay, well,
restart it.
these
Go.
are our cakes.
Ours is better. Ours is better.
Y'all go in the comments.
This is amazing.
Which one's better? Okay, we got the little close up, whatever, we don't care.
Yours is better.
Okay, here's our cake. It's tea.
Bad. It looks
It's
like a
giving-
blobfish.
It's
Hold up the
giving.
photo.
It's giving autism.
It's giving.
Okay, enough.
Okay, y'all gonna be. Bro,
Look at them. They got the little eyes, the little birthday cake. And you know, don't mind the bottom. You know, it's gonna taste good.
It ain't got no flow though. Okay, so anyways, yeah. So his name is Robert.
Blobfish.
Robert. Okay, get out. It's not your interview. His name is Robert. And yeah.
Robert the blobfish. I'm on my team.
Anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. So bye y'all and enjoy and stay lovely. And don't say that. And have a peaceful life. Bye y'all.
I'm gonna end it.